There are several reasons why you might want to change your Etsy shop name, and in this video tutorial, we're going to look at how to change your shop name on Etsy. To start, you'll navigate to Shop Manager, which you can reach by logging into Etsy and clicking on the Shop Manager icon in the top right menu. And then when you are in Shop Manager, you'll be on your dashboard and you will just go down to the left side menu and click on Settings. This brings up a secondary menu and you will go to Info and Appearance. It is the second option in the menu. You'll just click on that and it will bring you to an Info and Appearance page. Here you will see your shop name as it currently exists. You can go to see your shop name, and to the right there will be a link that says change. Click on that, or you can also navigate to the top to the tab that says shop name and click on that tab. Etsy gives you a little bit of information about what happens when you change your shop name. Like, all of your links will still be active, all of the old ones as well as the new ones, and then they also let people know that you changed your shop name. So they make it really easy, which is great. At the bottom, you'll see where it says your current shop name, and then there is a text box where you can type in your new shop name. So just type in the shop name that you want. It is limited in characters, so if you're trying to add a very long shop name, you will have to adjust and make sure that it fits. Once you're happy, you will go down and click the black save button. Then you'll get a pop-up asking if you're sure, just to confirm that you want to change the new name. So you will click the black change shop name button and it will successfully change your shop name. Because they use 301 redirects when you change the shop name, you'll be able to go back and use either the new name or the old name to get to your shop. So here I'm showing you how you can type in the new name in the URL or the old name as well, and both redirect to the shop. So if you have any old links to your shop using the first name, they will still work. Etsy makes it really easy to change your shop name and they handle all the back end. So I hope this was helpful. Good luck with changing your shop name.